Whether you're working in sketch to render and product photography, lifestyle photography, prints and patterns, or our other tools in the Create module, your results in Raspberry AI all start with one thing: the prompt. In this quick video, I'll show you how to prompt smarter across some of our key tools so you get exactly what you imagined faster. First, the basics. Raspberry AI is a generative AI tool that responds best to descriptive visual language. Think color, materials, silhouette, and mood. There are two common prompting pitfalls in Raspberry: very short prompts and using command versus descriptive language. Short prompts give insufficient description of images, leading to unsatisfactory outputs. Instead, input descriptive sentences of what you want to see in the prompt box. Using command language such as change color, add buttons, or remove zipper does not work as well in generative AI as describing what you want to see. Raspberry responds to the description of your vision and uses your prompt to create it. Each tool has its own prompt style, so let's dive in. When using lifestyle photography, your prompt guides the platform to create your vision. Make sure your prompt has all the visual cues Raspberry needs to craft an output. This prompt reads: a young black woman with dark curly hair and light makeup. She is wearing an oversized black wool blazer with a deep V opening and a pair of blue sateen pants and shiny burgundy stiletto heels. The model walks the runway with a determined look. The anatomy of your lifestyle photography prompts can be summarized in the acronym CLOTH. This stands for color, look, outfit, textile, and how it's made. Color is the hue and tone of any element in your prompt. The look is your mood, model, lighting, scene, and background visuals. The outfit is your garment or accessories. Textiles are the fabric or material of the outfit. How it's made are any pertinent construction details or design elements. Now let's look at that previous prompt again. The color is captured by the words black, blue, and burgundy to describe various aspects of the outfit. The look is a young black woman with dark curly hair and light makeup, and also, the model walks the runway with a determined look. In these two sentences, we've detailed the visuals of the model and the mood and the setting of the scene. The outfit is a blazer, pants, and stiletto heels. This includes any garments or accessories featured. The textile or fabric are the wool of the blazer and the sateen for the pants. We also have a note that the heels are a shiny material. Last, how it's made includes any construction details or design elements. In this prompt, we have an oversized blazer with a deep V opening. Combining all the elements leads you to a great prompt and your desired output. If the prompt doesn't lead to your vision, you can always try again and add more details to direct the imagery. The Prints and Patterns tool also has its own prompt style. You want to prompt for colors, but also an overall mood to guide the platform to create interesting prints. The anatomy of your Prints and Patterns prompts can be summarized in the acronym MCMCM. This stands for mood, color, motif, color palette, and movement. Mood is the vibe of the overall print. Think descriptive words like elegant, chaotic, or dainty. Then include any colors in the print. Next are motifs and overall style. Your color palette is your color story, such as beachy blue tones. Lastly, movement captures any design elements. Let's take a look at a prompt and its corresponding output: a vibrant and modern ECAT print in hot pink, turquoise, yellow, and white. The print features repeating diamond and chevron ECAT motifs. The print blends an artisanal, hand-dyed feel with an energetic palette. The mood is vibrant and modern. It also has an artisanal, hand-dyed feel. The colors are hot pink, turquoise, yellow, and white. There are chevron ECAT motifs. The color palette is an energetic palette. Movement captures the design elements with repeating diamond and chevron motifs. These details covering the mood, color, and design elements translate to a modern, vibrant ECAT print. Use MCMCM as your checklist when prompting in prints and patterns. Here's a few tips to remember when prompting. Be descriptive. Avoid command words such as change, remove, add, and instead describe exactly what you want to see. Be specific. Include details about color, material, construction details, and your end product. Be repetitive. If your first outputs miss any details, use repetition to capture those features. We have two prompting assistants within Raspberry to help you out. The first is our Describe Image feature, which loads detailed descriptions of your uploaded reference image. The second is our Prompt Assist, an AI agent to help you generate a first draft of your prompt. Give them both a try the next time you're in Raspberry, and see you in the next video.